Good morning. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rachel, and as you can see from the title, we are doing my morning tea routine. I'm letting you know everything that I'm putting in there. We have some good stuff. We got lemon, we have some Seamoss, we also have my OPC and my Aloered. I will be explaining all those things to you, but just don't skip through the video. That's how YouTube tells everybody that, hey, she has something, let's send her out to the world. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget your notification bell and come back to another video. Like, duh. The two is Xperia items, which is the OPC and the Aloered. They are both 100% kosher, gluten-free, soy-free, and vegan friendly. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this lemon. If you don't know the benefits of lemon real quick, vitamin C, balance your pH, and also it helps fight infections. So yeah, put all that in there. On to the Seamoss. I started taking this a couple of months ago, especially, for this COVID stuff and inflammation. So I need that for my back and my hips. I will try anything. It also helps for bacterial and virus infections. It's used to treat cold and flu symptoms. So many people take it in many different ways. I just use the gel, put it in my tea or my shake, my smoothie, whatever I'm making, and go about my day. Also, they said Seamoss has 96 minerals that the body needs to properly function. So yeah, I can't speak that much for this Xperia OPC. I just started taking it, but it's supposed to be for anti-inflammation, aging, improving mental clarity, focus, and boosting your energy levels. I'm all for it, so I will let you know how that goes. The Aloered is the reason why I wanted to make this video. I have been using this since March. I was very sick at the beginning of the year, and I started taking this. It improves circulation, it aids in regulating blood pressure, aids in blood pressure sugar regulation, helps with healing ulcers. It strengthens your immune system. I want to thank you so much for stopping by and listening to me talk. I'm going to enjoy this tea, look out the window, and wake myself up. You guys have you a good day. Bye. See you next time.